Hey guys, it's Kristen. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a chain. And this is really important because pretty much all crochet projects start with a chain. Now before I jump into the video, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Also comment below so I know you are here. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. To start this project, we need to do a slip knot. So I'm going to take about 4 to 6 inches of yarn. I'm going to wrap it around my thumb. Pinch the bottom there, take one of the ends, it doesn't really matter, and then put it through the loop. Now just pull tight, and then you can just adjust the size for whatever you need. So the first thing we need to learn how to do is hold the yarn. Now I'm taking this longer end, and I'm going to show you how I do it, but there are multiple ways of doing it, so if you don't like this, you can definitely research other ways. So the first thing I'm going to do is wrap it around my pinky, then I rotate my hand down and put my pointer finger under. Now I'm going to rotate it back about halfway, and I'm going to pinch the bottom with my thumb and my middle finger. So now this part right here is my tension. So I'll show you again, and I'll show you how I do it kind of quick. So I just go like this. So if you're thinking like it takes too long, it really doesn't once you get used to it. I'm just slowing it down for you. So you're going to wrap it around your pinky, flip your hand forward, put your pointer finger under, and then rotate your hand kind of like halfway like this. And you'll grab it with your thumb and your middle finger. So the first thing we're going to do is with your hook facing up, you're going to hook and grab the yarn. Now you're going to rotate it in so it faces down, and now we're just going to pull it back through and rotate it back up. So again, we're going to have the hook facing up. You're going to grab the yarn, rotate it down, pull it back through that loop, and now rotate it up. So I'm going to show you a few more times. With the hook facing up, you're going to grab, turn it down, pull back through, and turn it up. So you're going to grab it, turn down, pull through, turn up. Now the reason why we do that is I'm going to show you what happens if you don't kind of rotate the hook back and forth. So if I were to grab this and try to pull it through, you can see it's getting stuck. I mean, you might be able to figure out a way to get it through eventually, but it really doesn't work. So again, if I grab like this and turn it down, now the hook is facing down and it goes through easily. Now if I don't rotate it back up, you can see it falls off. You can't really grab the next one. So it's kind of crucial, even though it sounds silly, you really do need to do that. So grab, turn down, pull it through the loop, turn up. My tension is a lot tighter, so yours might be much looser, and so it may look a little different. Let me show you what it would look like if you did have a much looser tension. So when I say looser tension, it just means like this is really loose, or you have your loops be a lot bigger. If it was a little bit looser, you might have your loops up a little higher and you might be more relaxed. Like see how loose it is? And then I kind of pull up. So see how I'm pulling up a little bit? And so that's how sometimes people crochet, is they do kind of pull it a little bit when they do their loops. And let me show you here, you can kind of see the difference. So if you look at this, you can see how the top is much bigger than the bottom. I wouldn't worry about trying to do one or the other. Just practice these actual stitches and then you'll figure out what you like as you get better. So I'm going to show you I'm going to kind of do a few here so you can just see what it would look like as you get faster. Now I am going to have to move my fingers up. I want to say every 4 stitches, I'll move my hand up. So I kind of can get away with about 3 or 4 before it starts getting really like wobbly, and then I can't grab it anymore, so I have to move my hands up. So it'll just become a very fluid motion once you get the hang of it, and you can kind of see it's just repetitive, right? So grab, turn down, pull through, up. Grab, turn down, pull through, up. And you can even say that to yourself. Grab, pull down, through, up. Grab, turn down, pull through, up. So you can see we've got a pretty long chain going already. And what I used to do when I started is literally I would just chain this and then I would rip it all out and I would start over. So just kind of keep practicing that. Feel free to leave me comments below if you guys have questions, if you're not sure how to do a specific thing, or maybe you're getting stuck somewhere. I'll definitely be checking those on a regular basis, so feel free to leave me comments. But that's how you do a chain. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. Also comment below so that I know you are here, and if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit this bell so that you're alerted when I upload a new video. I'll see you next time.